Alright, we are going to run the Black Spirit and the Super Crush together. I have them dialed in to be as close as possible. We're just going to go through this first for you guys. It's an older ABY. Alright, so on the A, on the red light that it's on right now, that is the Hughes and Kettner. This is the Super Crush. For you. So again, A is the Hughes and Kettner. It's really crazy how clean the Hughes and Kettner comes through. It does have more controls for the clean, so I can raise the mids. Well, the Hughes or the Super Crush here only has the 2 clean volume controls, but let's just try and get the volume right. So, got the shroot down here and the super cool pedal. We're going to go in between amps. Alright, we're going to start with the Hughes and Kettner and some shroot. Crisp and clean through the orange. There's nothing on that Hughes and Kettner, and there's nothing on the orange. That is simply just the difference between the Hughes and Kettner through the Behringer 4x12 and the orange the PV 4x12. Gonna get this started. I'm gonna throw on the super cool pedal. We're on orange. sagging of the Hughes and Kettner. Both of them sound amazing, but playing the Hughes and Kettner is really opening up just how muddy the orange amps can be. That is again with the shroot overdrive going into it, and then the super cool pedals. 77 Fuzz Blender. Again, red, like it's on right now. That is the Hughes and Kettner, and when we switch it over here to B, the orange switch, that is the orange amp. brighter. I think I have the volume set relatively the same here. Sounding wicked good. The shroot, as always, jiving super well with all other pedals, pumping up that super cool pedals. Not like the super cool pedals needs it by any means, but just running the overdrive in front of it. So nasty. Oh, amazing. Yeah, the ABY, that would be perfect. That's what I need to have, man. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Matt. I really appreciate you checking out my streams and my lives as well, buddy. Really appreciate it. Liking the sound more. Alright, again, I'm just going to go through this once again. This one right here, the B, that is the orange end. And the A, that is the Hughes and Kettner. Completely different tones coming out of both of these, but they absolutely sound amazing on their own, each single one. I can't wait to get the Y in on the AB so I can run these both as a wet-dry system. That's going to be unreal. The Riff Man's going to have some insane tones. We have some special announcements coming up, but that's a secret, so I'll let you guys in on that later on. Right now we're going to get back into some riffs. And again, I just wanted to show you guys, huge shout out to super cool pedals with this 77 Fuzz Blender down here. It's a good one. You guys want to keep your eye on this. It's on sale right now for $169. And as always, we got fuzzimp, the shroot, just wrecking up the house here. All right. I've dialed in the amp on the Super Crush to sound as close to the Hughes and Kettner. Here, again, the Super Crush only has the two knobs here, treble and the mid scoop, I believe, unless that's a bass. Insane. I am absolutely loving this combination. Just throwing that out there. So I don't actually have a phaser pedal, but what we can do is with the Black Spirit, the solid state, it does have onboard effects. So I'm just going to take off these pedals. I'll do it just for you, man. I'm going to throw on the effects here. I'll find phaser. Turn up the intensity of phaser. Oh yeah, there you go, buddy. And here's with the Orange Crush with the phaser. I'm kidding, the Orange Crush doesn't come with the built-in phaser. There's a little plug for Hughes and Kettner. never really be down with onboard effects features. It was good in the Katana, but I never used them. It is the platform that got me onto using pedals. But I'm telling you, the effects on this Hughes & Kettner really pull through. They cut through, and they sound really good. Back to the orange for a second. Two completely different tones, sounding amazing. The pedals, the pedal demos coming up are going to be great because you're going to get to hear it through the orange that I know a lot of you guys have because you're into Doom and stuff, and that's a really solid amp to go through Dooms. I know I don't have tubes yet, I'm working on that. But so you'll get to hear it on the relatively normalized in Doom, Hughes the Super Crush or any orange amp, and then the Hughes & Kettner Black Spirit 200, just loving this chug machine. Again, I have it on a clean channel. I dialed in as close as possible. I'll take off the pedals to show you as close as possible to each other. So orange light is orange amp. Red light's Hughes & Kettner. It really does. It's chimier. A little crisper. Thank you very much for checking out the stream, Matt. It means a lot to me. You get some rest and feel better, buddy. And thanks for checking out the streams. So you hear how the orange is a little muddier here. We're going to throw on the super cool pedal again and the shroot. there for now, but that is going between the Hughes and Kettner and the Super Orange Crush solid state amplifiers. Just to give you guys a little feel for both of them, and again running them through a little dirt pedal down here. I thought it would be good to test them both out with the, as always, shroot. It's a must-have. And the new must-have, it's definitely a keeper and staying on the board once I get it all put together. The 77 Fuzz Blender by Super Cool Pedal is right on the shroot. Thank you everybody for coming and checking it out. There's the workhorse right there. The ELG P610. Les Paul with the fanned frets. That's my go-to guitar. And then my C standard Doom guitar. The Korean Explorer Epiphone. Alright guys, peace and love as always. And I'll be back on very shortly with more videos on the Rift Mountain. Hughes and Kettner. Absolutely amazing.